In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your domain registrar. If you're trying to figure out where your domain name is registered, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. We'll be using the GoDaddy website to check the domain details and locate the registrar information shown in the WHOIS directory. As you follow along, make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can access your domain settings without any confusion. To begin, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Once the page loads, go to your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account settings and the products connected to your account. After opening your profile, click on My Products. This section gives you a full view of the services and domains associated with your account. From My Products, look for the DNS option and click it. In some cases, you may need to click DNS again to enter the full management area for that domain. This will take you into the section where your domain settings and records are managed. If the page layout looks a little different from what you expect, don't worry. GoDaddy occasionally updates the design, but the names of the main sections are usually very similar. Next, click on Portfolio. This is where your registered domains are organized. Once you're in the portfolio, select the domain you want to check. Be sure to choose the correct domain name if you have more than one listed in your account. After opening the domain, look for the Email Privacy section and click Edit. This area connects to the public information settings for your domain. From there, click on WHOIS directory. The WHOIS directory is the public record that shows important registration details about a domain, although some parts may be hidden for privacy reasons. Once you're on that page, scroll down until you find the Registrant Contact section. This is the area where you can view the domain registration details, including the registrar information you're looking for. Depending on your privacy settings, some personal contact details may be masked, but the registrar name should still be visible in the listing. And that's how you find your domain registrar using GoDaddy. If you're checking this information for troubleshooting, domain transfers, or general account management, this is a useful place to know. Just take your time through each section, and you'll be able to locate the registrar details quickly and easily.